हेलो बच्चों, एम के स्टडी पॉइंट में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे क्लास 12 सेमेस्टर 3 के कॉस्टिंग एंड टैक्सेशन मॉडल क्वेश्चन पेपर, जो कि आपके एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होगा। आपको पैटर्न भी, मार्क्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन भी, सारी चीज़ों की समझ हो जाएगी और आप अच्छे से एग्ज़ाम्स में पूरे क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करके आएंगे। इसलिए आप वीडियो के आखिर तक बने रहें ताकि आप समझ सकें कि किस तरह से क्वेश्चन कहाँ कहाँ से आने वाले हैं। तो चलते हैं, देखते हैं सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। इन प्रोडक्शन वर्क द डिपार्टमेंट रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर रिक्रूटमेंट, ट्रेनिंग, रिटायरमेंट और रिमूवल ऑफ रिक्वायर्ड वर्कर्स इज आंसर ऑप्शन ए ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डिपार्टमेंट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। इन द केस ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ गुड्स और सर्विसेज द ह्यूमन एलिमेंट इज ऑप्शन बी labor of workers is a correct answer. Question number 3. In a week, the standard time and actual time of a worker are 50 hours and 60 hours respectively. For a standard output of 150 units, the wage rate per unit is 12. Under Taylor's differential piece rate system, if his actual wage per unit is rupees 9.60, what will be the actual output? Option B less than 150 units is correct answer. Question number 4. Statement 1. Modern production system is machine based, yet manual labor is essential. Statement 2. To maintain continuity in production, even if cost increase, the producers has to increase wage rate. Choose the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Both 1 and 2 is true. Question number 5. How many wage rate are mentioned in Merrick's differential wage system? Option B is correct, 3. Question number 6. A worker spends 20 minutes per unit and works for 6 hours, earning rupees 450. What is the wage rate per unit? Option A rupees 25 is correct answer. Question number 7. Statement A. Wage rate system based on quantity of output is more acceptable. Reason R. In quantity based wage rate system, ideal time can be controlled and production can be increased. Option A. Both A and R true. R is correct explanation of A. Question number 8. Remuneration of factory inspector is treated as which type of wage? Option C. Indirect wages is correct answer. Question number 9. Indirect wages are included in option D. Factory overheads is correct answer. Question number 10. Match column A with column B. The correct answer is option C. Question number 11. Which time is considered essential in production system? Option B is correct answer. Actual working time. Question number 12. Statement A. Regional disparity is a principle to be considered in selection of wage system. Reason R. Same facility are not available everywhere. Due to unequal distribution of resources, wage rate vary. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R true are correct explanation of A. Question number 13. Which is correct in case of definition of uncontrollable ideal time? Option C is correct answer. Ideal time never controllable. Question number 14. Which can be directly attributed to a particular job, process or product? Option B direct wages is correct answer. Question number 15. Statement 1. Attendance records of workers are maintained by wage payment department. Statement 2. Wage payment to workers is arranged by wage payment department. Correct answer is option B. 1 false but 2 true. Question number 16. A worker takes 10 minutes to produce 1 unit. If the wage rate is rupees 42 per hour, then what will be his wage per unit? Option A is correct answer, rupees 7. Question number 17. Statement A. Workers' efficiency can be determined and verified through timekeeping. Reason R. Standard time and actual time spent on works are the measures of workers' efficiency. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 18. A worker's efficiency level is 95% and the normal wage rate is 120 per unit. Under Taylor differential piece rate system, what will be his wage per unit? Option C is correct answer, rupees 16. Question number 19. Rahim works in a manufacturing company. As per attendance register, he was present for 48 hours in 6 days. Idle time per day between entry and joining work 15 minutes. Tiffin, rest, machine repairs 0.75 hours per day. Power cut in a week 2 hours. How many hours of wage will Rahim get for the given week? Option A 48 hours is correct. Question number 21. Net income from lottery 1,37,600. If tax is deducted at source 31.2%, what is the total taxable income from lottery? Option C is correct answer. Question number 22. Which of the following is a short-term capital assets? Option B. House property sold within 2 years. Question number 23. While computing short-term capital gain, which of the following is deducted from the full value of consideration? Option D. All of these. Question number 24. Statement A and reason R. पढ़ लेंगे इसे. Correct answer is option B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Question number 25. If bonus shares were allotted before. Question number 26. While computing taxable income from capital gain, exemption under which section are to be considered? Option A. Section 54 is correct answer. Question number 27. Up to which day is the period of holding of a capital assets considered? Option A. Up to the date of transfer. Question number 28. Which of the following is not regarded as a capital assets? Option B is correct answer. 6.5% gold bonds of central government. Question number 29. In 2024-25, an individual received 1,57,000 as a gift from his grandfather on the occasion of his marriage. What will be the taxable amount of gift? Answer D is nil. Question number 30. Statement A. Agricultural land situated in India is not a capital assets. Reason आप पढ़ लेंगे इसे. Correct answer is option D. A is false but R is true. Question number 31. Statement 1 and statement 2. आप इसे पढ़ लेंगे, रीड कर लेंगे. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए. स्टेटमेंट 1 इज ट्रू बट स्टेटमेंट 2 इज फॉल्स. Question number 32. Which of the following income is not taxable under the head income from other sources? Option D. Both A and B. Question number 33. At what rate is income from horse racing taxed? Option D. 30%. Question number 34. Interest from which post office deposit is fully exempted from tax? Option A. Saving account. Question number 35. For immovable property received without consideration, up to what limit of stamp duty value is exempt from tax? Option B is correct answer. 50,000. Question number 36. Deduction is allowed under the head income from other sources. Option D. None of these. Question number 37. आप इसे रीड कर लेंगे. Option C is a correct answer. 35,460. Question number 38. Statement 1 interest and statement 2. आप इसे रीड कर लेंगे. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Question number 39. A capital assets purchased on 31/10/2021 for 1,35,000 and sold on 31/10/2024 for 1,29,750. Acquisition year 317, transfer year 363. What will be the gain loss from this transfer? Option D is the correct answer. Question number 40. आप इसे रेड कर लेंगे. क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ, व्हाट विल बी द लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल गेन फ्रॉम दिस ट्रांसफर? ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. 2,53,953 इज करेक्ट आंसर. इसी के साथ ये पेपर एंड हो जाता है और आप लोगों को 40 क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे और 40 क्वेश्चन को आप अच्छे से सॉल्व करेंगे. उम्मीद है बच्चों वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. वीडियो पसंद आया तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल पे नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लें. धन्यवाद.